Magandang panahon mga ka-tax. At ito po ay valid and relevant material and admissible in all legal proceedings. Ito pong nababasa po ninyo sa mga oras na ito. Okay, ang pag-aaralan po natin ay yung mga letter of authority na in-issue ni BIR Commissioner ukol po sa Run After Tax Evader Program.
Wow!
Yes.
Wow!
Paano po ito na-cancel? Na-confirm na po na ito lahat po ng LA, yung sinasabi at ipinagmamalaki na kagalang-galang na Ray, ang pangalan daw po nun,
Wow!
ay almost 150 na raw po. 150. Ayan. Simple lang po ang mag-cancel ng letter of authority na in-issue na base po sa rate program. Kasi po, mismong si Commissioner na rin ang nag-confirm nito.
Wow!
Paano po i-confirm? Ito po yung 150 LAs na iniso sa rate. Ito po yung kamalian. Contrary po sa substantive law, contrary po sa National Internal Revenue Code. Ito po yung na-violate. Yes. Si Commissioner po ay pwedeng mag-delegate ng power niya sa mga subordinate niya.
Wow!
At ang pwede lang po niyang bigyan o i-delegate ay yung ang equivalent position ay division chief or higher. Sa mga nakaraang 150 pieces na o copies ng letter of authority ay nagkamali po ang kagalang-galang at hinahangaan nating BIR Commissioner na i-follow yung batas. Ano po yung na-violate niya? Ang bawat letter of authority na iniimbestigahan ay dapat pong imbestigahan ng Special Investigation Division. Sa nakikita.
Oh no!
Yes. Special Investigation Division, ayan po, nakita niyo yung arrow sa taas, or yung National Investigation Division. Kapag po yan ay inimbestigahan itong SID or NID, ang pumipirma po niyan ay lagi po ang BIR Commissioner at wala na pong iba. Mapapansin niyo po dito sa rate program, makikita niyo po yung rate na yan nakasulat po sa bandang kaliwa. Ano po? Sa sentence po ay sa line po ay pang-4. Ay ang inapoint po ni Commissioner ay itong si Romulo Maala. Isa pong revenue officer. At si RD Eser, isa pong group supervisor. Tanong, si Romulo ba at si RD ay division chief?
Oh no!
Yes, hindi po sila mga division chief.
Oh no!
So hindi po pwedeng i-transfer o i-delegate ni Commissioner ang kanyang power sa revenue officer o sa group supervisor. Pero idinagdag niya po ang pangalan ni Nel Cordero.
Ouch!
Sino ba si Nel Cordero?
Ouch!
Siya po ay isang chief. Happy po siya ng Special Investigation Division ng Manila BIR. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, ang lahat ng inisyong BIR Letter of Authority para sa rate program
Duh.
ay
Duh.
ay
Duh.
ay wala pong chief division o higher than chief division ang inassign po ni Commissioner para po mag-imbestiga sa rate program.
Ouch!
Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, isa pong way para cancelin yung tax evasion charges o tax evasion complaint dun sa 151 tax evaders, yung letter of authority, yung fruits of the poisonous tree, o yung Article 5 at Article 7 ng New Civil Code ay na-violate. Yes, violate po ang Article 5 at Article 7 ng New Civil Code. At hindi lang po yan, yung Section 7 ng National Internal Revenue Code.
Get out!
Okay. 3 good reasons to attend personally an empowering seminar on BIR, letter of authority, and letter notice.
Uh-oh.
Ayan.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay.
Yes, Daddy.
Mating ka, ha?
Yes, Daddy.
Mating ka.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. Kung integridad po at competency ni Katax ETM o Emilino T. Maestro ang i-consider, siguro naman itong certification from the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry Education Committee ay magiging valid, valid at admissible.
Touchdown!
Okay. Reason number 3. The BIR officer, by their verbal or body language, strongly suggests that the only solution to comply with the language of either a BIR letter of authority, electronic letter of authority, or BIR letter notice is to bribe them and to bribe them big enough. By this way, they are emphasizing and advertising that they are so incompetent They are so incompetent to compute your correct amount of tax.
Unfortunately conduct, 15 yards.
Ayun.
Unfortunately conduct, 15 yards.
The trusted accountants, lawyers, and consultants have no reason number 2. Have no personal knowledge, experience, and legal know-how in handling the vicious and viral attacks of either a BIR letter of authority or BIR letter notice, so they strongly recommend the bribing of BIR revenue officer. In that way, they save their faces from being incompetent and earn a friend from the inside of the BIR.
Unfortunately conduct, 15 yards.
And the last is reason number 1. The owners, stockholders, directors, and the top management have no personal knowledge and experience in handling either a BIR electronic letter of authority or BIR letter notice. So they agree to their trusted accountant, lawyers, and consultant to bribe the BIR revenue officer.
We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service. Please check the number or try your call again. This is a recording.
Okay. We are willing to help you. Okay, we are willing to help you save your body from physical stress, save your soul from earthly sins. Just buy this book and pay 500 pesos for your near free buffet lunch at Spiral Hotel. Okay? Okay. How to register? Ayan. So, may libre po. May libreng assistance for 30 days, yung may mga problem. Siyempre, starting yan sa pag-attend ninyo doon sa Sofitel Hotel. At yung libreng legal petition notice para sa pagka-cancel ng LA nyo. Di ba okay yon? Okay na okay. Okay. At yung sa next 30 naman po ay letter of legal petition notice lang po makukuha nyo.
What the heck was that?
Thank you very much for listening.